This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip with 12 gigs of RAM on Android 12 on its latest version of One UI 4.1. iPhone 13 Pro Max has the A15 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM on its latest version of iOS 15. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus iPhone 13 Pro Max speed test comparison. Which phone will have the faster boot up? Let's find out right meow. Oh! iPhone 13, super fast. Look at that. Wow. Already scrolling through. That's amazing on the iPhone. And not far behind, however, is the Galaxy S22 Ultra. When you swipe to open, come on, cooperate with me. There we go. All right, so on boot up, I'm gonna have to give the win to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the S22 Ultra not that far behind. And we are in. All right, man, let's just get right into the test. I'm gonna go like this on both phones, and as you can see, no recently used apps on the S22 Ultra, and I'm gonna do this on the iPhone. As you can see, nothing comes up, nothing in the background on this device. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, maybe the 13 Pro Max, but let me know in the comments. Messages. Ooh, very close. This one had some like extra pop-up, but let me know in the comments again. The camera. Now I'm gonna do it like this. Pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder a little bit better. And let's go. Ooh, I think that was the 13 Pro Max. Fire up the clock on both phones. Ooh, very close again. Start that up and let that run in the background. Calculator. Very close. Again. Play Store, App Store. Ooh, so close. I don't know. Let's go ahead and click on any random app. I'm gonna go ahead and just click on this one on both phones. Let's see, click on this one. Okay, we'll just leave it here. We'll come back to that later. Amazon shopping. Ooh, I'm gonna have to, I don't know. Maybe the S22 Ultra, but let me know in the comments. I'm gonna click on this. All right, check that girl in the red dress. Pretty cool. Leave that right there. eBay. Give that to the S22. Let's go ahead and click on this watch. And I'll click on, let's see, I'm gonna click on, what can I click on? Click on this one. We'll just leave it on that page. Super Mario Run, let's go. Let's see. Loading on both phones and a little bit faster on the 13. Tap to begin. Faster on 13. I think the audio is off on the 13. I'm gonna turn that on. Silent mode off. There we go. Tempo Run 2. Let's see. Loading on both phones. Which one will be faster? Ooh, looks like the 13's ahead. Oh! We're neck and neck here. All right, I'm gonna let this run and see what happens. Which one is quicker? Oh! I'm gonna give that to the S22 Ultra. I'm gonna tap to play, and now I guess we have to pick a map. So there we go. And let that run. Subway Surfers. Here we go. Loading on both phones, and let's see. Ooh, a little bit faster on the right, as you can see. Tap to play. Let that run in the background. Angry Birds 2. Let's see, starting up and logging in on both devices. Let's see. Oh, iPhone's ahead. Will the S22 catch it? And, what's gonna happen? What is happening here? Oh! I don't know, man. That's super close. Slow down the video for me on YouTube. I can't tell. Cannot tell a difference whatsoever. And this one, let's see. I think the i13 is ahead. Okay, let's see here. Oh! Okay. They both are kind of on beat a little bit. Oh! I'm gonna give the win to the 22, as you can see. All right, Modern Combat 5, let's go. And let's see what is happening here. Okay, iPhone's going right into the game. And then the S22 Ultra, some introduction here. Let's see, extracting files. All right, so the boot up sequences are a little bit different. So you can take this one with a grain of salt. But I mean, generally speaking, it's going into the game at a good rate. So take that one with a grain of salt. Next up is PUBG. Here we go, crafting. Let's see what will happen. Okay, checking for update on the iPhone. I think it might be ahead here. Let's see. Okay, checking for updates on S22. Oh, okay. We'll give the win to the 13 Pro Max on this one, as you can see. All right, so the 22 Ultra, okay, some sort of extra pop-up. All right, so a little bit longer on the 22 Ultra, but it's not hella far behind or anything. Twitter. There we go. Instagram. There we go. Snapchat. Ooh, faster on the 22 Ultra. And then Chrome and Safari. All right, let's go ahead and do a Google search on, let's see, I'm gonna do this. All right, so both are into Google. So what should I search for right now? I'm gonna click on this same search result, go. Okay, I'm gonna click on this one, go. See what happens. And which one's faster? Loading a video here on the 13 Pro Max. And I think the 13 Pro Max is a little bit faster here to kind of load this. And then let's see here. What can we click on? Go ahead and click on DC, go. Is that a clickable link? Oh no. Okay, what's happening here? All right. Click on something else. Oklahoma, go. I don't think those are links. All right. All right, I'm gonna go back. Let's go back here. Go back. Go back one more time. Click on this one. All right, give you an idea. Both fairly quick, I'm not seeing any major lag or anything. So you can see there's a Facebook page. I'm gonna get away from that. And then let's see here. Let's click on one more link. Let's see, what can I click on? Click on the People's Convoy, click on that. Ooh, there you go. So the web browsing on both phones, it's nice and buttery smooth on both. Just a matter of preference really. But I'd have to say the 120 on the S22 Ultra makes scrolling a nice and fluid experience. Now let's test out the pinch to zoom capability here. Okay, we'll do the pinch to zoom. Yeah, nice and buttery smooth on the iPhone 13, whereas this one, it doesn't allow me to do it for some reason. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. So let's just go through these apps again, and we'll have a look. Let's document any lags, any stutters, or anything like that. Get rid of that pop-up. None so far. And then, I think we may have a reload here on the 13 Pro. Oh, okay. Take a note of that. And then the S22 Ultra kept it right there. Oh. And then here we go. We got reconnecting here on the S22 Ultra. That's not a reload. That's more of a, internet connectivity kind of thing going on. All right. So CSR Racing 2. And, 13 Pro Max reloading this game. Whereas the S22 kept it right there, ready to continue. And then we do have the Angry Birds 2, and another reload on the 13 Pro Max. Apple, what's going on here? What's up with iOS 15? Is it kind of, I don't know about this. Okay, this is ready to resume on both phones, as you can see. Okay, so that's good. Temple Run 2, ready to continue on both phones, as you can see. No issues on either device. Mario Run. Mario Time on both, that's good. eBay, same place. Amazon, whoops, same place on both phones. Play Store, App Store, same place. No reloads on this part of the test. Calculators right there. The clock, still running in the background. Now on a side note, I've never seen this actually reload, ever. So there you go. The camera, let's see. Okay, a little bit faster on the right. Messages. There you go. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking your iPhone 13 Pro Max or the iPhone 13? Do you have an iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 10? Do you have one of those M1 MacBook Pros? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking your brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? If you're a Note fan or a Note user, how do you feel about Samsung essentially merging the S series with the Note series with the S22 Ultra? Are you okay with the merge, or do you wish Samsung still released a Note? In my opinion, I think the next foldable phone from Samsung will have an S Pen integrated into the body, just like a Note, but we'll see what happens later this year. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.